Step 1. Resetting to default settings. Hold the backward key for 6 seconds to reset the receivers to their default settings. Step 2. Choose a melody. Short, press the forward or backward key on the receiver to choose your favorite melody. Step 3. Set the melody on the receiver. Hold the volume key for 6 seconds on the receiver and the receiver will make a ding sound once. Step 4. Assign the melody to the transmitter. Press the doorbell key on the transmitter, and then the receiver will make a ding-ding sound, indicating that the melody has been assigned. Press the transmitter again and the bell rings to change completion. Exit pairing mode. Testing the system at its furthest range of use. Out of range, the receiver will not receive the signal. Pair to more transmitter/receivers. One receiver can work with 30 transmitters. One transmitter can work with numerous receivers. If you want to pair more transmitters/receivers, just repeat step 1 to 3 of how to change the melody.